Good evening and welcome to the news. First, the headlines. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma inaugurates Telemedicine and Teleconsultation Centre at Negrims, praises COVID-19 testing facility of the Central Institute. Online learning system paying no dividends in rural areas, admits Meghalaya Education Minister Lakman Rimbui, blames it on poor internet connectivity. Meghalaya government proposes upgradation of 8 state roads to national highways. Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong says the centre is examining the proposal. Sain Ride announces relief for Juwai traders, waives house rent for lockdown. The news in detail. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma today inaugurated the Telemedicine and Teleconsultation Centre of Northeast Indira Gandhi Regional Institute of Health and Medical Sciences. The objective of the centre is to connect different ICUs and healthcare centres of the state. Speaking to media persons after the inauguration, Sangma said that though this is a very small part of the health project, yet it would help in achieving the goal of connecting different ICUs and healthcare centres of the state. When asked about the performance of Negrims in collecting and testing of COVID-19 samples, the Chief Minister expressed his satisfaction. Meanwhile, number of samples sent for testing up to today is 1,397, of which 1,288 turned out to be negative, and results of 97 are awaited.
That in mind, this project has been started. Obviously, this is only a very, very small part. Ultimately, our real objective and our goal is to be able to connect the different ICUs and different care centers throughout the state and have a proper structure where there's a support through telemedicine. We are trying to now integrate this with the 108 so that there is one point contact for the people, and then when they need more specialized information, they will connect to this center. I once again thank Negrims for all their support and all that.
Meghalaya Education Minister Lakman Rimbui has admitted that the students of the rural areas are finding it difficult to adapt to the online learning. Informing about his meeting with Union Human Resource Development Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank, which was held yesterday, Rimbui on Wednesday said that everyone was asked to utilize the online content. He said that the state government is of the view that online teaching cannot be a substitute to classroom teaching due to the problem of connectivity. He informed that the state government is trying to utilize the services of All India Radio and Doordarshan for teaching students. He indicated that the state government has already made a plan to reopen educational institutions, but the same would be done after the centre takes a call on lockdown on May 3.
The issue is that regarding the how is the progress of this online facilities which being taken by the government. We have informed everybody that during this time they can utilize the online platform for the student. I have informed that we are trying to utilize the All India Radio and also the Doordarshan to disseminate, to teach the student, or they can use.
Meghalaya Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong said the state government has proposed to upgrade 8 state roads to national highways. Talking to reporters after a review meeting with Union Minister of Road Transport and Highways Nitin Gadkari through video conferencing, Tinsong said that the minister is still examining the proposals made by the state government. Appreciating the efforts of the Road Transport and Highways and Ministry of Defence for parting away with the land for construction of a 4-lane road from Rilbong to Upper Shillong, Tinsong said that the Ministry of Defence will now have to hand over the land to the National Highways Authority and Infrastructure Development Corporation.
As far as Meghalaya is concerned, first of all, I've expressed my gratitude to the Ministry of Road Transport as well as to the Ministry of Defence, because with their intervention, we ultimately got their land for construction of 4-lane road from Shilpi up to Upper Shillong. We are in the job of taking over the land from the defence. Okay. We are in the job of taking over the land because this land has to be handed over by the defence to NHIDCL, because NHIDCL will implement the project.
The Saint Rai Joai, a religious organization of the Nyamtre or traditional faith, has decided to waive off rental of all traders in view of the ongoing lockdown to contain the spread of COVID-19, which has badly affected the livelihood of people. This was informed by the president of Saint Rai Joai, O.R. Chalam, after a meeting at Joai on Tuesday. The meeting was attended by the Doloi of Ilaka Joai, Puramon Kinjing, and General Secretary of Saint Rai Joai, Arwatki Sumer. The decision will be of great help to all those traders who are running their business from rented houses. The Saint Rai has also decided not to charge lease fees to those who are running public toilets and parking lots. Meanwhile, the Saint Rai also decided to allow cremation at Khi Musiang, Joai, in case of any casualty due to COVID-19. The centre has promised free LPG cylinders to about 8 crore beneficiaries of the Ujjwala Yojana for 3 months as a relief measure in the time of coronavirus outbreak and nationwide lockdown. As per the scheme, 3 free LPG refills are being provided to the Ujjwala beneficiaries from April to June 2020. When there is nationwide lockdown and the people are staying home to stay safe, LPG delivery boys and all those in the supply chain of LPG are working tirelessly to ensure that clean fuel reaches people directly at their homes. Shillong is no exception. Speaking to DD News Shillong, a few beneficiaries expressed happiness over the decision of the central government.
वो पैसा मुझे मिल चुका था और मैंने उसी से मतलब अभी मैंने सिलेंडर ले भी लिया से दो हफ्ता लगा आने में, उसके बाद आया, फिर अभी मैं तो यूज़ कर रही हूँ। वो मतलब बैंक से आया था 800 समथिंग ऐसा आया था, उसी से मैं अभी यूज़ कर रही हूँ।
गीता है, मोदी का तरफ से हम लोग जो गैस मिला है बहुत आराम मिला है। इतना दिन हम लोग धूप तो पीछे यह करा है, तो अभी थोड़ा आराम मिला।
Deputy Commissioner West Jaintia Hills Garrett LSN Dykes launched the West Jaintia District Executive Force's music video Beyond the Call of Duty, We Shall Overcome on Tuesday at SP Office Joai. Garrett appreciated the efforts put in by the police force to combat COVID-19, especially during the period of lockdown. The initiative was undertaken by Lakador's AM, Superintendent of Police West Jaintia Hills, to honor and pay tributes to the District Executive Force for their dedication and service in the fight against COVID-19. The program was chaired by DSP MJ Marnar.
Support we received from the community at large. So with this few remarks, once again I congratulate the police force for being able to launch this music video, which at the same time will be a kind of awareness. People should also.
Well, viewers, that's all we have in this edition of the Bulletin. Join us again tomorrow evening for more news and updates.